Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a project manager with ServiceMaster by Zaba. And today we're in Lincolnshire, Illinois, working in a home that had sump pump failure in their basement. We made sure to protect the floors leading down to the basement where the flooding occurred. This way we have a pathway to carry any debris or any equipment in and out of the home. Since there's carpeted stairs here, we have plastic that sticks onto the carpet to protect it as well. Whenever there's heavy rains, sump pumps can fail and back up. And in the case they do, water will rise up and it has nowhere to go. In this case, water spread throughout the whole basement, affecting all the drywall, which is really a 2-foot flood cut at the perimeter of the home. The insulation on the exterior walls, so we had to remove that as well. And unfortunately, we have to remove floors. The reason we're removing the floors is because of the water trapped beneath them. We're not able to dry it without removing them. And once they are removed, we're able to extract any excess water and pressure steam clean to make sure that there's no bacteria below where the floors were. One of the tools that we use to determine where water had traveled is a altimeter. The way this works is by having a sensor in the back and by using pins to determine the moisture content in material. If I use the pins on this portion here where the drywall wasn't affected, you'll see that it is dry. And when we use the pins, we're able to see how high the water traveled up on the framing. We don't want any beeping. This is the reason why we did a flood cut throughout the whole basement, since all that water in the drywall soaked up, spreading to the framing and any insulation behind it. Flood season is right around the corner, and if you do experience something similar to a sump pump failure or a backup or flood, be sure to give us a call at 773-647-1985. We've been servicing homeowners and business owners since 2008 in the Chicagoland and North Shore neighborhoods. We'll be able to help you as well.